Hello guys, welcome back to the online help guide. In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to install the BlueWallet app. First, on your device, open Play Store. Tap on the search bar at the top. Type BlueWallet app next. Then tap on search. We are going to download this application. Tap on it. To install, tap on the install icon. During installation, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Allow it to download now. Tap on Open once the download has been completed. Now you can follow the instructed steps to start using the app. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.